Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will unbox review special Android head unit for Subaru Legacy Outback 29 to 2040 years. Okay, here is box. Let me open the box. You can check head unit with good condition. Okay, let me introduce the honey seat first. Here is special harness for Subaru Legacy. You can check this radio antenna. Okay, this is a special connector. Okay, they come with GPS antenna. This USB cable, two USB cable, and external microphone. Come with external microphone. This is camera input. The AUX left and right input. Okay, this is video input. Okay, this audio combo come with subwoofer, video out 1 and video out 2, RCA tab. Okay, this is rear front audio cable, left and right. Okay. Okay, here is the head unit. Let me take out the plastic. This drum agent. Okay, you can check the head units. Silver color. Has DVD slots. You can check left. It's right side. It's screw hole. It's back. It's fuse. It's power cable, GPS. These connectors, Wi-Fi antenna, radio port. Okay. When you receive head unit, please take out this 2 screen. It fixes the DVD in shippings. Okay, let me power on the unit. The head unit will be started. Okay, this is the UI interface. You can take out this screen protector before using. Okay, you can check this fast response Octa Core. You can install wallpaper from installer. Set the wallpaper. Okay. Okay, let me check the settings. System. You can check the PX5 Octa Core. Android version is 8.0 Oreo. Okay. You can back the home with home button. Okay, that's all. Thank you.